Homeowners in Middleton experience a wide range of weather throughout the year, from cold, blustery winters to warm, sunny summers. While these seasonal changes bring beauty and variety, they also create unique challenges for maintaining your home's structure and energy efficiency. One area that often feels the impact of these shifts is your exterior doors. Over time, fluctuating temperatures, humidity, and exposure to the elements can wear down doors, causing them to lose their fit, function, and insulating ability. Understanding how Middleton's climate affects your doors can help you recognize when it's time for a door replacement, and how upgrading can protect your home year-round. Winter cold can warp and crack doors. Middleton winters can be chilly, with cold winds and occasional frost putting your exterior doors to the test. When temperatures drop, materials like wood and metal can contract, making doors harder to open or close properly. In some cases, the expansion and contraction cycle causes warping, cracking, or gaps that allow cold air to seep inside. These gaps not only reduce comfort but also lead to higher energy bills, as your heating system works harder to maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Replacing old doors with modern, insulated models, such as fiberglass or steel doors with weatherproof cores, helps seal out the cold and prevent drafts from forming in the first place. A professional installer will also ensure that your new door fits tightly within its frame, eliminating air leaks and maximizing energy efficiency. Spring moisture causes swelling and rot as Middleton transitions from winter to spring. Rising humidity and occasional rain can create problems for older wooden doors. Moisture easily seeps into cracks, causing swelling, rotting, or peeling paint. When this happens, doors may no longer close smoothly or seal properly, compromising both comfort and security. Newer replacement doors are designed to withstand these moisture challenges. Materials like fiberglass and vinyl resist swelling and rotting, while modern finishes prevent water damage and mold growth. If your door sticks, squeaks, or shows visible signs of decay each spring, it's a clear sign that replacement is overdue. Proper door replacement during this time helps maintain your home's structural integrity and prevents costly repairs down the road. Summer heat expands frames and weakens seals. Middleton summers can bring intense sunlight and high temperatures, which take a toll on both door materials and their surrounding frames. Prolonged exposure to heat can cause expansion, leading to misalignment between the door and its frame. This often results in air leaks, faded finishes, and weakened weather stripping. Replacing outdated doors with energy-efficient options, such as insulated steel or composite doors, helps minimize these effects. These materials are engineered to handle temperature swings without warping or fading. In addition, modern doors often feature low-E glass inserts, which reduce heat transfer while allowing natural light to brighten your entryway. It's a simple upgrade that enhances comfort and curb appeal during Middleton's warmest months. Autumn wear and tear signals the need for change. By fall, years of seasonal stress can leave doors showing visible wear. You might notice gaps under the threshold, rusty hinges, or locks that no longer align correctly. These small issues can lead to bigger problems, including energy loss, pest entry, or reduced security. Replacing your door before winter sets in ensures your home stays insulated and protected during the colder months. It's also the perfect time to choose a new design that complements your home's exterior, adding fresh curb appeal before the holiday season. Year-round benefits of door replacement. Investing in a new exterior door provides benefits that last through every season. Improved insulation to keep energy bills low. Enhanced security with stronger materials and modern locks. Increased curb appeal that adds value to your home. Less maintenance thanks to durable finishes and weather-resistant construction. Professional installation ensures a perfect fit and proper sealing, so your new door performs at its best no matter the season. Final thoughts. Middleton's changing weather can take a toll on your doors, but timely door replacement can make all the difference in comfort, efficiency, and protection. From winter drafts to summer heat, each season brings challenges that modern doors are built to handle. By partnering with local installation experts who understand Middleton's climate, you can choose the perfect replacement door to keep your home beautiful, secure, and energy efficient, year after year.